The BMW R 1300 GS Adventure was officially launched globally at the Motorrad Days event in Bavaria, Germany, Sunday the 7th of July 2024. This new BMW Adventure motorbike officially replaces the R 1250 GS Adventure in the previous generation. So what has just been released this time is the Adventure version of the R 1300 GS, which was introduced in early 2024. The appearance of the new BMW R 1300 GS Adventure will definitely attract attention. The big GS isn't just visually different from its nearly tiny sibling. Seating comfort, ergonomics and protection against wind and weather have never been combined so harmoniously with precise handling, says BMW Motorrad head of development Christof Lischka. In terms of engine, the R 1300 GS Adventure has the same type, so it still uses a 1300cc two-cylinder boxer engine which produces 143 dk power at 7,750 rpm and 150 Nm of torque at 6,500 rpm. The part that is the same as the standard GS is the headlights with X-shaped DR rails. The radar cruise control system with collision warning and lane change warning is also carried over to the R 1300 GS Adventure. The most obvious change is in the tank, which is now an aluminum model that is flat on the right and left sides. The capacity has increased significantly from 19 liters to 30 liters, making the weight now to 169 kilograms. That's why with a large tank, the R 1300 GS Adventure looks like it has big shoulders. Not to mention there are additional LED lights on the right and left sides, making the motorbike look wider. Apart from that, there are several special mounts for installing tank bags, rear boxes and panniers on the sides. The total baggage that can be carried reaches 73.5 liters, one of which is even equipped with a USB plug. The new changes also touch the electronics. For example, now we use a suspension that can lower automatically, so riders who have a short stature can be more confident. There are for driving modes as standard, as well as hill hold control, cornering ABS and more. There is also an enduro driving mode option, suitable for off-roading or adventuring. The selected driving mode will also adjust the suspension automatically. This system is called dynamic suspension adjustment, so the strength of the front and rear suspension can be adjusted while the motorbike is running. A new option available on the new R 1300 GS Adventure is automated shift assistance ASA. So the driver can change gears without pulling the clutch, just raise and lower the lever on the foot manually, or if you want it to be fully automatic, just press.